Good morning, folks. This is Ashley, Busy Bee Lawn Care and Sprinkler Repair. We do handle problems having to do with well pumps, as long as it's not the pump down in the well. Of course, you have a bladder tank and a pressure switch related to this particular system. You got the on and off for the high power box right here. Of course, I got it in an off position right now, and the red wire is going over to that left side terminal, far left. The black wire is going to the right side terminal on the right, and then the black going to the pump is on the left side terminal, and the red going to the pump is on the far right terminal. So we're going to go and get a new pressure switch, and this T and maybe even the pressure gauge, be thorough about it and get them up and running so they can get their lawn watered. Give us a buzz, 803-331-5323, if you have anything related to a pump problem or a pump drawing out of the lake or anything related to sprinkler or irrigation. Thanks for calling.